at that, a flat tire. Don't you hate when that happens? All you're trying to do is cut your lawn. Well, I'm Adrian from Fixaroo, and we're going to show you just how to fix this flat tire. Take your standard car jack to raise up the machine so you can slide the tire off the axle. So for this repair, we need to inspect the tire for any holes or tears in the tire. So just look around this tire. I do not see any big tears or holes in it, so a tube should do just fine. So to purchase the right size tube for your tire, you need to find the size of the tire. The size of this tire is 15 by 8 by 6. Since we're using a tube for this repair, we need to remove the valve stem. You're going to take your snips and cut out around the valve stem to take it out. Next, you need to break the seal with your C-clamp. Oh, there it goes. So you can see that, how the tire is separated from the rim. Right. Next, you're going to use your tire tools to pop the bead over the rim. Next, you need to inspect the tire inside for anything sticking in there or anything in the way that's going to pop the tube. So next, you're going to take your tire tube of the right size out of the packaging. Remove the cap on the valve stem and lift the tire up as you're pushing the tube in. So once the tube's all the way in like that, you need to put the valve stem through the hole. To get the tire bead back on the rim, use your C-clamp on one side of the tire, clamp her down real nice, and work your way around with your tire tools. Next thing, take your air pump or air compressor and pump the tire up. There we go. Hey guys, thanks for watching another Fixaroo video. If you have any interest in any of the tools used in this repair, check the links in the description. If you have any comments or ideas, pop them in the comments section, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.